guys, welcome back to my channel, Princess Hef. Today I'm back with another video, and yes, it is a haul. It is from Dollarama. I have some cute pink items that I think you guys will all enjoy. But before we get into the video, if you are not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for supporting your girl. PSA, my daughter is in the room with me, so if you hear goo goo guying and a lot of screaming, that is why. So the first thing I found at Dollarama was this cute picture frame. Super cute. It says, "Mom, you are the best." I'm planning on putting a picture of my two little ones in there. I think it'll look super adorable. So I found this painting of a cactus. I think this is called a cactus. So cute, you guys. I'm gonna bring it up so you guys can see. I really like the detailing on it, and I like the color scheme. It goes with my room, pink. And I also like that there's like other colors in it, but like it's still like soft girl vibes. Next up are kitchen accessories. I found these oven mitts and pot holders, super cute and pink. This was the item that I was most excited to show you guys. Save the best for last. Velvet pink skirt hangers. Hello? I picked up 4. Oh, if you're the type of person that loves organization, you'll definitely love these. I'm pretty sure Amazon sells these, but they're way more than $4. They're super cute, and then you can hang up skirts, you can hang up your pants. Okay, so that was a really short haul. I only picked up a few items, but I really want to share it with you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Comment down below what your favorite item was, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!